Guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my curry coconut rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my pot that I'm going to prepare my curry coconut rice in. I added a small amount of vegetable oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add some curry powder, that is, and also some parsley flakes. And we're going to allow the curry to burn a little, all right? So now I'm going to go in and add some seasoning, and again the seasoning consists of Scotch, Bonnet, pepper, thyme. I also added some bell peppers and Escallion. After that, I'm going to go in and add some coconut milk and also some salt. So I added the salt to the coconut milk and I'm going to allow this to cook for roughly 5 minutes. Then we're going to come back and add the washed rice. So after 5 minutes, now it's time to go ahead and add the washed white rice. Now, I know some of you are gonna ask, can we use brown rice? Yes, you can use brown rice. Remember to always try to be creative in the kitchen. Always try to be you in the kitchen, all right? But of course, we don't want our rice to settle on one side only. So you have to go in and combine everything together. And for me, I think it needs a little bit more water. So I'm going to go in and add some more water to this, all right? So I'm going to turn this on medium heat, cover it, allow it to just cook down, but we're not going to allow it to cook way down because we don't want the water to dry out completely, all right? So as I had said earlier, I don't want the water out of the rice to boil down completely. So what I'm going to do, of course, I want my rice to be really shelly. So I'm going to go in and add a piece of foil paper over this, cover it and allow it to steam. And then in a couple minutes, I'll come back and show you the final product of my curry coconut rice. Really easy and simple. Within 15 minutes, it's all ready. All right. Alright guys, so this is basically the final product of my curry coconut rice. As you can see, the color is rich and it's really shelly and nice. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and come back and show you guys my final product, alright? So guys, this is the final product of my curry coconut rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and check out the description box for all of my recipes. Until next time, bye.